good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Part video, man. I got everything coming in today. One part already came off John Jones. Waiting on the UPS man. As usual, I'm probably ain't gonna get them to this evening. So I hope I at least get them before Jesse close, so I can get over to Lawless and at least give them the part. Then tomorrow morning they probably get up and then knock it out, man. Whatever they got left. And I had a change of heart. I talked to my bro Kyle K Rain. Y'all make sure to go subscribe to him on YouTube. KRAIN. He got the turbo Camaro I rode in too. We got two turbo L bodies. But we talking about the radiator situation, and he still got his radiator leaning forward. He just changed to the Durali fan, so I think I'm gonna try that out first. I'm gonna keep the Griffin radiator, but I'm gonna try it like that first, so I won't have to be messing with my AC right now, cause I like my AC to blow. If I stand the radiator up, I am gonna have to get some. I won't have no AC for the time being. I will have to do something, but I'm gonna keep the Griffin radiator. I'm just gonna put it to the side, drive the car around, and see how it do. So I'm gonna tell Jesse that when I go, just install the fans, and we're gonna ride like that for a little bit. If I don't like it, then I just stand the radiator up. I got everything I need. I take it back, they cut it, boom, boom, bam. But for right now, y'all see I got the nollie jacked up. About to change the oil on this thing. We're gonna change the oil on the nollie. And yeah, then hopefully within the next hour, man, the UPS man will get here. Can't never tell. So hopefully they get here, and then I can get these parts. We can go over there to Lawless. Hope y'all enjoyed yesterday's video. Y'all got to see some burnout smoke. I was happy to drive it, man. Boy, I was grinning like a what they call it, the Cheshire cat, whatever the old head say, man. That's how I was grinning. The cat on Alice in Wonderland. That's how I was grinning, man. I was happy. I was happy, man. Shout out to Lawless. They did their thing, man. Them boys is fire. They fire over there. So that's it. I ain't gonna film there. I'm just letting y'all know I'm about to get the oil change. So I'm about to do that. Then when these parts come, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, cause I really do got a lot of stuff coming in. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so it's literally the next day, man. That's why y'all didn't get no vlog yesterday. The UPS man came so late, 7:30 again, so I couldn't get the parts. I was gonna show y'all to him. It was nighttime, so that's why I'm taking in a whole nother day. But we over here at Lawless. Got my two with me today. I got my two with me today, but show y'all the parts I got. These the power steering relocation line kit. You can get it at HURON Speed. So if you got an L body and you going to the HURON Speed turbo kit, go ahead and get these two. Go ahead and get these two, man. Go ahead and order them, cause your power steering line is gonna be right there on that header. This to reload these, the new power steering line. Braided, nice. You ain't gotta worry about burning these up. So you getting that HURON Speed turbo kit, go ahead and get this right here. Go ahead and get them now. It's what I'm telling you. And this the other one, the radiator at the house. I'll show y'all when I get to the house. Radiator. But this is, we got the Durali fans. Remember I told y'all, ever since I ran them on Dolo, they going on everything. So hey, they free promo for them, but it's just a good product, man. I gotta put y'all on game. The Durali D thing moves some L. I got two of them, so two of them together gonna move like 4,000 and some change CFM. When you get these fans, go ahead and get the relay kit. Make your life easier. Or you can wire up your own relay, but I just buy the relay kit. They already wired. You just run your wires and that's it. We got those. Then we got this Power Master alternator. Thing clean too, boy. It's 165 amp. So more than enough amp to run everything, cause I thought about it. I'm gonna be running dual fuel pumps in the future, so I like, man, I got enough for that too. But that's it. The bad boy black casing. Look good, man. So we got that. Then I didn't bring the radiator for a reason, but I'll tell y'all that. And I just had to go by AutoZone and get the cable, 4-gauge cable for the alternator. And I had to get a IAT, where those are clamps. We need those for the wrap. And I had to get this sensor. It's IAT sensor. That's a grommet. What the sensor is? Hold on, Tina, watch out. Here you go. The IAT sensor right here. Now some of these 6.0s, they use mass airflow, but IAT, mine use an intake air temperature sensor, which is you have to get it. Hold on, y'all. But anyway, you got to get there. The car you have to look it up for is a Pontiac GTO. So if you pull it up, you look for a 6.0 out of a Denali or something like I was doing, like this truck, it's gonna pull up mass airflow. If you want the IAT sensor, look it up for a GTO that came with a 6.0. So had to find it out. So I'm gonna take this stuff here to Jesse and I'll stay tuned. Alright y'all, we checking in man, back at the house. So I'll show y'all this radiator. It's that big boy Griffin. Say I ain't gonna put it on right now, cause my bro Kyle, like I said, he tried it, he ain't stood his up. He's still working good with the radiator leaning, so I'm just gonna hold on to this. Cause it's thick now. It's a big boy radiator. It's short though, cause you know the Camaro you need a shorter radiator. So if you want to run there, I give you the part number, whatever. If you want to get it for summer, I put the Amazon part number down there too, in the description. But Griffin radiator, this the exact what you need if you want to stand your radiator up. See, y'all see it real thick. Keep it cool. But look what we have here. Wheels. You got the back wheels for the Camaro. These are not the billet specialties, cause I found some cheaper. Now I ain't saying what they is and all that, cause these companies, man, y'all, hey, I be putting y'all on some good stuff, man, but we need to start getting these companies on board. So, but if you really want it though, just let me know. Y'all know y'all my people, man. I'll tell y'all the part number here. But this is the wheels right here, 15-inch. These wheels are made specifically for the Camaro, the 4th gen L body. Cause you know the Camaros, they come 16s from the factory, so they got bigger brakes, so you can't run any 15-inch wheel. And if you look it up, most of them you gotta shave your caliper. But these supposed to be a direct fit. It's a 15 by 10. You must try these out before you mount the tire. You mount the tire, they're yours. You mount the tire on the rim, is yours now. But I think they're gonna fit too. I see how it made right there. Right there, but it's supposed to clear the brakes. So I might call Jess and see whenever they get it back on the lift. I might take it over there and try it on, cause I want to make sure they fit. If they fit, it's on, boy. It's on if they fit. I'm telling you. We got these, and they come with the lug nuts. $311. The wheels I was about to buy was the billet specialties. Billet specialties was the only company that make a wheel that fit they was the only company that make a wheel that fit a 4th gen Camaro. Man, it get dark. That fit a car like mine, that clear the brakes. And I was about to pay $975 for 2 wheels. And I was about to pay it. But I got these from Jed's. It's not a Jed's brand wheel. But I saw them. I put in my car cause I went to Summit. And they weren't gonna ship them to the 16th. They weren't gonna ship to the 16th of November. I was like, man, let me check to see if Summit got them in stock. Put in my car. I put in my car, man, and boom. Found these. They pulled these up. I'm like, I know these don't. I had to actually call Jez to make sure. I said, these made just for that car to clear the brakes. He said, yep. They made specifically for the 4th gen Camaro, so that's what we end up getting these. I wish they made them in black. I think they do, but I ain't see them. So we got these, and if we got these, it's on. I'm going to track next week for a show on the radios. So I might try to slide over and try one on. When you try them on, you slide it on there and it's loose. You'll turn it. It'll act like it's clearing. You must tighten this wheel down. Tighten it down all the way flush, then try to turn it. So I might try to slide it down there and try it out. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, we tuned in, y'all, and came to the shop. I gotta meet a supporter, actually. I'll see if he want to get on camera, man. If y'all don't mind getting on camera, I like to show y'all a little. And I got the email about the fan. I gotta hit one of y'all back about the fans. But he bought these headers off of Dolo. So me and him down here. Okay, here. And I guess I'm right. Guess I'm gonna go back here and see. going on with Monte Carlo. Well, at least show it to y'all. Excuse me. Aunt told me he gonna plan on getting it back to me tomorrow. Well, I told him at least I'd like to have it tomorrow, which is Saturday. Y'all looking at it on Saturday. So the day y'all looking at it, I want to try to have it, cause the Camaro coming back, and I'm about to get ready to post the date. About to get ready to post the new date for the car meet. So we're gonna have that coming up. So y'all have that date too. I'm gonna post the flyer and stuff. So just keep a check on the community post, and we'll see. But this is where the old Monte Carlo at right now. I'm still tripping on that pressure washer, man. That Monte Carlo, boy, that pressure washer make this look like a whole new car. But this old Monte Carlo, y'all been asking, is she gonna burn out and all that? I'm pretty sure she is. I'm gonna make sure she burn out. So wife is gonna have to light it up when we pick this thing up. Take it to Lawless, get her exhaust put on, and all of that. But yep, old Monte Carlo, man. Try to bring this thing back. Ready to get it back so she can ride, then we can start going in on it. Going in on it heavy. So yep. Gonna wait till he get here. Then y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we taking in. Just picked up the headers, and I had to get the car on. I got, hey, tell how much you pay for this thing?
$400.
$400, and all you did was what?
Fuel pump.
Man, he caught what? He caught this 86, ain't it? Yep. That's how y'all can tell the 86. That's my favorite front end, y'all. Got the emblem built in. About to throw the headers. What else you plan on doing to it though?
Everything.
The whole nine.
All the way. For the engine, inside, everything.
Now, how long you had it though?
August, I just started working on it. This August, matter of fact.
Oh, so you
trying to get it ready for Labor Day. My boys, they already got this shit.
Yeah.
So they told me to get on the road, so we had a bet for Labor Day.
I got you.
I got it ready.
Okay.
Sitting for a whole year.
No one. Hey man, it run good too. Look, it run like a sewing machine. Yeah, so y'all see the before. I like to see the before, man. Before and after. It's solid too. Run good. I ain't running good, man. Then see, he done drove an hour away, so know it run crisp. What's in it there? It's a 305, 350. Oh, 4.3. I ain't even see. Oh, so it's still original. 4.3 in it. And run good too, man.
I did do it ball lights. I got the back fillers.
Okay.
What do you call it? The strut shit, whatever that shit called. I had to get another one of those and come put the other one on.
Oh, the impact strip.
Yeah.
Yep. Everybody
busted. I changed those.
So you done did a couple of things to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that impact strip. Everybody. No, man.
Yeah.
No. Hey, so how, man, I wish you had a picture. I want to see how it looked before.
I got some on my phone.
So this a rattle can paint job.
Nah, it's spray, but it's what's the other one? I use the gun.
Oh, use the gun. Okay.
Time.
Man, nah, your first time. Golly.
Good. About $400.
Golly, boy. Hey, man, I like seeing stuff like this. That what's up. That what's up right there. I like that. Yeah, so y'all remember how it looked now. I gotta show y'all another one too. My partner, he was actually over here too. He bought, it was the blue with the primer and stuff on it. Y'all gotta see that car now. I'm glad I got the before car. I want y'all to see that car now. He just got it painted. We getting the interior done, but y'all gotta see it. I'm gonna have to get with him. But yeah, y'all see it. Y'all know we love the boxes. I need one of these, man. The 86. My box ever that got stole was an 86. I love that front end right there. Yeah. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm back at the house. It's nighttime, man. Just got finished getting back from the shop. Good time with my guy. They bought the headers, man. Good time when I always love me and y'all. I like when I'm getting rid of something like this, like for it to go out to y'all. So everybody that support. So man, it was good. I can't wait to see his box when they get finished with it. Finished product. All that, I love seeing it before. I love seeing it before, seeing where something come from and what it's going to. And I think everybody like seeing that too, which is why people tune in this channel, cause y'all know I show every step of the way whenever I'm doing something. So yeah, man. Yeah. And man, look, I ain't even hit it in a few vlogs, man, but boy, hey, I ain't been working, man, but go on with me. Hey boy, look. My boy, man, sent me a inbox, man, and the song was playing. It got to be it. They got to be the song. It was playing at his job. I said, man, you need to find out what it is so I can go listen to the track. It was playing in the background. I said, I swear that's it. That's what, boy. It was back there jamming to "Down On With Me." It's on jamming, boy. I still don't know what that man was saying, man, but hey, man, every day is a good day. Every day is a good day. That's all I can say. Good day. We got the parts, got my wheels in, everything over there to Jesse, man. Hey, I'm gonna get the car back Monday. I'm happy, and I'm riding all day long. I'm hitting the track. I think I'm hitting the track 2 days this week. 1 day on the hard tires, seeing if I can get a better number since I can control the boost now. The second day on the radius. That's my plan. And might try to fit the dyno in there too if I can do it all. I might back to back, dyno, track. That's what I might do. It's what I might do. So yep, that's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody tuning in every day. I'm gonna be at Truck Wars today, cause y'all looking on Saturday. I'm gonna be at Truck Wars. I'm getting it in, filming them trucks, man. So I had to be there. And yeah, that's it. I catch y'all tomorrow.